On the next one, I want to say true, but thinking through it, the mean has to be 4 times greater.
True.
Yes,
I think it is true. Yeah.
Yeah, it's true, right? We reject there is sufficient evidence to indicate at least one mean is different from the others. It has to be similar according to the QQ test.
Yeah. Well, okay, so this is the hypothesis. So yes, it is going to be true.
Okay. Number 4. That's easy. I think it's data and variances.
Yeah.
Did you say data and variance?
Yep,
Yeah.
because sample means are all positive. I don't think that's the one.
Yeah.
2 and 3.
All positive. But data does not need to be normally distributed. Or does it? I mean, I'm pulling up the book right now at the same time.
Yeah. Well, I didn't read anything about saying the means have to be positive, so that's why
I didn't read that either, and I'm just wanting to make sure.
Yeah. Oh, he's so cute.
You know,
Little giggle.
You're making me baby hungry, Abraham.
okay.
Well, get a calling in.
That's not fair.
Get a calling in the
Usually
nursery.
Regret that.
Huh?
Get a calling in the nursery then.
No, thank you. I'm the Relief Society president.
You're the Relief Society president.
Yeah.
I'd rather work in the nursery.
Oh, boy.
You get snacks in nursery. You get goldfish.
Right? Yeah, but I teach little kids, so
snacks.
I'm surrounded by little kids.
And fruit snacks. I forgot about the fruit snacks.
The fruit snacks are the best.
Right?
Or so
So,
okay.
On question 4, would it be A and C?
It will be the data and variance.
Variance, yeah.
So A and C.
Yeah.
Yeah.
B and C.
Oh, B and C.
B and C.
Okay.
Okay, question 5. To check if each group is normally distributed, do the following.
We have to construct a QQ plot for each group.
Right.
Yeah. It's on 3.2.
Yep.
Number 6. We assume the variance in each group is the same if the following happens. Is it...
It's going to be C.
I remember this one. Is it C?
Yes.
I can't remember if it was 2 or 4 times.
Oh,
it's
yeah, no,
B,
it is.
the largest variance.
Yeah, the largest variance is less than 4 times
the smallest variance. Is B.
Yes.
All right. Number 7. An ANOVA hypothesis test is equivalent to conducting independent 2-sample t-tests between every pair of samples. If there are 3 samples, there are 3 pairs. 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 3. How many pairs are there when there are 4 samples?
I think it's 6.
Oh.
Because it's gonna be 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 3. Then it's gonna be 1, 4.
Right. So then
2,
you got
4,
one extra
and
there.
3, 4.
So you got 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 2, 3, 2, 4, and 2, 4. So it is 6.
Yep.
Okay. The data in the Excel sheet was collected to help determine how the design of the soccer shoe affects the accuracy of a kick, yada yada. What is the smallest variance for the 6 groups? Round to 3 decimal places.
Okay, I got 27.208.
27.08?
2.8.
208. I used the software.
Right, using software. That was part of the homework too, and I deleted it when I was doing other work because that was one of the things that we had to do on there. 27.208. Is that what you got, Glenda?
27.208. Yes.
Okay.
What is the largest variance?
53.158.
Okay. The test for equal variances is satisfied for these data.
True, because I remember doing that.
Yeah, that is true.
Construct a QQ plot for each of the 6 samples. Each of the samples are approximately normal based on what you see in the QQ plot.
Yes.
True.
Yeah.
Yep, because I did that too, but I didn't save it.
Okay. Perform an ANOVA test in SPSS and observe the p-value is 0.081. Then remove the SOX data and perform the text again. What is the p-value when we remove the SOX data?
I was doing that, so I will remove SOX. Yeah.
Do you guys do the homework before or after?
No, I always do it after.
Yeah, me
I haven't.
too.
Do you guys want to start doing the homework together since now it seems like it doesn't change?
Yeah, I would say yeah, we could do that.
Yeah, we have time. We can totally do it.
Sounds good. I think it would be cool if we did. That way we can just knock it out.
There you go. So what value did you get, Glenda?
I'm checking because I removed the socks thing,
Uh-huh.
and it came out with 0.309.
.309?
Yep.
Okay.
0.309.
Okay.
Okay.
So 13.
Is to the right of the F statistics.
Number 14.
Right.
Let's examine the calories first. Construct QQ plots of the calories for each of the 3 types of hot dogs and compare the variances to determine if the assumptions to use ANOVA have been met.
He's got a lot to say tonight, Abraham.
Yeah. Look at him. He's just there.
He's a handful. Okay. So I'm constructing the cube plots right now for this. So we're doing it for the calories. That one is normal. My dog decided he wanted to be involved as well. So all of them are normal.
So that means that the variance is,
So it's A.
and that is a normal distribution. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Number 15. Run an ANOVA test to determine if the mean number of calories is the same for all three types of hot dogs. You should find that the degrees of freedom are 2 and 51 for F equaling 16.074 and P is 000 or 0.000 with a level of significance equal to 0.05. What conclusions can you draw?
I'm putting them on the ANOVA right now.
Okay.
I believe it's going to be B. Because we.
B.
No. Let me see. It's going to be, I believe it's going to be A. We have sufficient evidence to claim that all three hot dog types have the same mean number of calories. Because the p-value is 0. And if I widen that out even, it's 4, good grief, 100,000th of a chance. So I believe it's going to be A.
Let me see.
Okay. We can look up. Because the P is usually what affects it, right?
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
So B.
A.
Oh, A. Okay.
All right, number 16. Now let's examine the sodium levels. Construct QQ plots for the sodium levels for each of the three types of hot dogs. You should see the QQ plot for poultry suggests a possible problem with the normality assumption. The smallest variance is 7,180.75 and the largest is 10,492.871. Have the assumptions been met to use ANOVA?
I'm constructing the QQ plots right now.
Okay.
So far, they're looking normal. I'm doing the poultry right now.
Okay.
Both the first two were normal.
Mm-hmm.
So yes, they're all normal.
Okay.
So it's A.
And take a look here. Yeah, that's the only one that says it has been met. So it's going to be A.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Number 17. Despite the possible problem with the QQ plot for poultry, you decide to use ANOVA to determine if the mean sodium levels are the same for all three groups. What is the p-value for this test?
Okay, well, that tells me we have 16 wrong, since it says that there's a possible problem. Let me go back and take a look at the QQ plot for the poultry.
Okay.
Let me share my screen on that one. You guys tell me what you think.
Okay.
Because I think it still looks normal. So here's the QQ plot that it looks like. That's for poultry.
Okay.
Yeah.
That
That
kind
looks
of looks normal.
that kind of looks normal, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So, all right. Well, then maybe I was fretting over nothing.
Hmm.
All right. So let's run the ANOVA test for these. Okay. So what's our question now?
It's
What
asking
is
for
the
the p-value
p-value?
for the test.
Oh, the p-value is 0.179.
It's for the sodium.
Yeah, that's for the sodium. 0.179.
0.179.
All right, question 18. What conclusion can you draw about the mean sodium levels of the three types of hot dogs with a significant level of 0.05?
Oh, wow. They have a different mean because variable 3 is 459, but is that following in the rules of what the book is saying?
So
I
if
think
one
yes.
have a different mean,
Yeah, but let me see the variance. Because that came up in the study sheet too. Okay, so talking about variance. The variance is less than equal, then we will conclude that the variances are equal. So the variance is less than 4 times the smallest variance. It's going to be either A or D.
For question 18,
For 18, yeah, it's going to be either A or D.
But didn't you say that they have different mean sodium levels?
Yeah, under 3.2, the requirements for ANOVA, it's the variances are equal for each group. This requirement is checked by examining the variance. The rule is if the largest variance is less than or equal to 4 times the smallest variance, then we will conclude that the variances are equal. And so the smallest variance that we got there, the smallest variance is 10,492.871. No, that's the smallest is 7180.750. It's definitely less than 4 times less than the 10,492.
Well, let's try with the different mean sodium levels, or I'll try. No one else turn in their quiz, and then we'll just go from there.
Which one did you try it with? D?
With D.
Okay.
Yeah, so give me a sec. All right. It looks like we missed number 15.
Number 15?
Number 15 and number 18.
18.
So 18 is obviously A.
18 is A.
It's going to be A.
It's going to be A. For 15, it might be. Oh, but did they have a different mean?
Well, it's dealing with the QQ plots.
Number 15?
Yeah, that's dealing with the QQ plots on there.
Because if we have one with different means,
Right.
then it's gonna be the last one. We have sufficient evidence to claim that at least one of the hot dogs types has a different mean number of calories than another type. So I think it's gonna be the last one.
You think it'll be D?
Why
Yeah.
don't you try turning yours in, Mike? With
All right, yeah.
D.
That's what I was just going to mention.
Okay.
And then no one else turned theirs in yet.
Okay.
What if 14?
14?
Yeah.
It was A.
Okay. Okay.
Tell us what we got.
We missed
17.
18 again.
What? Which one?
16. I got 16 wrong. What did we get for 16?
Number 16, we did A.
Okay.
Yeah, I did.
I have it as D. So we missed 15 again. And we missed 18.
15 and 18.
Mm-hmm.
So
So, Linda, why don't you try turning yours in with C being the answer for 15?
Okay, for
And-
15, C.
Yeah, for 15, try doing it with C. And then for
Okay.
18, try doing it with
B?
With B
C as well.
or C.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's see.
Abraham, wait. I'm gonna
Yeah,
submit
Abraham,
it. So.
don't turn yours in yet.
Okay.
Let's see. Okay, we missed 15 again.
We missed 15 again?
Yeah. And
So it's B? 15?
18.
Okay, so 15 is B.
Also 18.
18 is what? What were you saying, Abraham?
B, because he tried with
18.
C.
Okay, so Abraham, why don't you try those two and turn yours in, and then we'll go from there.
Okay, I just have a question. For 9 is 53108, right?
Excuse me. No, it's 53.158.
Okay, yeah.
So we're doing 15 as B?
15 is B, 18 is B.
Okay.
We're going to have Abraham turn that in and see if that's what it actually
What was
is.
16? Was 16 A?
16 was A.
All right.
Okay. Yeah.
And you said 18 was B, right?
What were you saying, Mike? Sorry?
And 18 we're doing as B as well?
Yeah.
Women 15.
What?
15, women's 15.
Why?
And 18 is B.
Okay, so 18 is B. What ones did we try for 15?
Let me.
Okay, so
Okay,
it's, you don't have sufficient then. No, because that's the one you just tried. So then it's the
So
D. We didn't
Yeah.
try.
So 15 is D?
B. Kiss the bullet.
Okay, can someone get those answers again for me, please?
What's that?
Can someone go through the answers for me, please?
Yes. Obviously,
Yeah,
1 and 2 are true.
Mm-hmm.
mm-hmm.
True for 3.
Okay.
B and C for 4.
Okay.
C for 5.
Okay.
B for 6.
Okay.
7 is 6.
All right.
8 is 27.208.
Okay.
9 is 53.158.
Okay.
10 and 11 are both true.
Okay.
12 is 3.309.
Okay.
13 is right.
Mm-hmm.
14 is A.
Okay.
15 we're saying is D.
Okay.
16 is A.
All right.
17 is 0.179.
Okay.
And 18 is B.
All right. I'm gonna go ahead and stamp that. Hopefully.
I found it, but it says that it's D.
Yeah. I just got 100.
Okay.
So yeah, guys, we did it.
Sweet.
Wow.
All right.
Finally.
So is everyone okay with doing the homework part 2, or do you guys want to do it by yourself, or how do you want to do that?
I'm getting. I don't have to go to work till noon tomorrow, so it's up to Glinda and Abraham.
Yeah, we can do it
Let's see.
together.
But yeah, it's fine.
Do you guys want to go ahead and do it real quick?
Yeah.
But just let me set mine because my computer's taking forever.
Okay.
So taking through. Well, I don't know why this is so slow.
Abraham, I guess you can just turn off the live now that we've finished the group part.
Yeah.
Okay.
I mean, unless you want to keep it on.
It was not the meeting.